Okay, hi children. Today our discussing topic is types of solutions. What is your topic? Types of solutions. Here already you know about the solutions, Amma. Okay, once you listen again about the solutions. Solutions means homogeneous mixtures. Okay, mixtures are two types. You know that homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous means that components present in the solution in the mixture distributed uniformly throughout the mixture is called the homogeneous. Okay, non-uniformly distributed the components which are present in the mixture is called the heterogeneous mixtures. In that, homogeneous mixtures means we know that means uniformly distributed throughout this mixture is called the homogeneous mixtures. Good example for the homogeneous mixture is solutions. Okay, here you come here. Many classifications are there. Okay, now according to some more qualities we can classify it. Now we are discussing one classification among them. Okay, before going to this topic, we have to know about the solvent and solute. Here what we have to know? Solvent and solute. Okay, what is meant by solvent, madam? What is meant by solute, madam? Here, suppose you are taking water and add some salt to it. Here, how many components are present in this homogeneous mixture? Two components. What are those? Water and salt. Water and salt. This is the mixture of two components only. One is the salt, another is the water. Okay, here you see more quantity or greater quantity. Okay, greater quantity component. Greater quantity component is called the solvent generally. Okay, and lesser quantity component in the mixture is called the solute. Here lesser quantity means salt we are adding this much only. Yes or no? Otherwise this much only you are adding? No. Okay. Okay. Then you are comparing with the quantity of water. Then you are adding a pinch of salt to it. Then we will get the salt solution. Okay. We know that. Like that here lesser quantity this one. Lesser quantity component in the solution is called the solute. Greater quantity component is called the solvent. Okay, keep it in your mind. Another one is there, Amma, that is when you are taking solvent, okay, after coming solution, then characteristics of the solvent may be changed. That means suppose characteristics of the solvents may not be changed, but the solute will be changed. That means disappears that. Okay, solute, when you are adding solute to solvent, solute may be disappear. Maybe not, it will be disappear. Yes or no? Can you see the salt in the salt water? We cannot. We cannot see with our naked eye. Why? Because that is disappear from the solution. It is already dissolved. Already dissolved in solvent. Okay, that's why that means a solvent may be see. That means before like only is there. But solute will be dissolved in water, in solvent, it is disappeared. Okay, after we will discuss about more about this. Now you come to types of solutions. Okay, do you understand about the solvent and solute? Okay, now okay, types of solutions according to nature of the solvent. You have to take here nature of the solvent. Okay, now this classification. So many classifications are there. Here according to nature of the solvent, there are two types of solutions are there. How many types? Two types. Okay, first one is the aqueous solution. Okay, aqueous solutions. And second one is the non-aqueous solutions. Non-aqueous solutions. Okay, do you understand? Two types. What is meant by aqueous solutions? Meaning in the name only there. Aqueous means water. Okay, na? Here, already I told you in components, greater component is called the solvent. Yes or no? In aqueous solution, water is taken as a solvent. That means greater quantity in the mixture. In homogeneous mixtures or in solution, have to take water. Okay, then it is called the aqueous solution. And it must be, that means a dissolving medium. Dissolving medium. That is only called the solvent. Dissolving medium. Okay, dissolved the component is called the solute. We know that. Dissolving medium have to take as a water. Then it is called the aqueous solutions. Already we discussed the example for this is, what are those? Water plus salt. Okay, here water is a solvent, salt is a solute, and water and sugar. You take sugar. Okay, sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. That means it must be taking, water is a one component which is the solvent. Again, greater quantity only have to take. This like solutions are called the aqueous solutions. Okay, now you come to non-aqueous solutions. What is meant by non-aqueous solutions? Man means if solvent is other than water. Okay, what you have to take? Other than water you have to take. Madam, is there like this any examples for the non-aqueous solutions? Madam, we know only water is the solvent. If you are taking solutions around us, but there are, okay, in petroleum products many are there, but I will tell you some examples for that. Good example for this one is alcohol. Alcohol is taking as a solvent. Where madam? We are having some doubts now. Is there like that any solutions? Yes. Okay, alcohol is taking as a solvent when you are making tablets, headache tablets. That's why when you are taking the tablets, you will get some anesthesia, like some that means sleeping nature to us. Yes or no? We are going to bed when you are taking tablets. Okay, that is alcohol. Okay, then alcohol taking as a solvent, then those are called the alcoholic solution. Alcoholic solutions. Then here alcohol is solvent. Okay, remaining solutes are there, that is depends upon the use. Okay, uses, leave that. And some are there, and another one is there, that is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride may be taking as a solvent. And chloroform, CHCl3, chloroform. Chloroform also used as a solvent for some purposes. Okay, and benzene, C6H6 is the benzene. Benzene. Okay, benzene also you are taking as a solvent in somewhere. Okay, and like that many other, ammonia, liquid ammonia. Liquid ammonia also taking as a solvent in somebody. Some making some tablets, like some cleaning agents. Okay, can some sanitizers. Okay, some these all also we can use there. Okay, liquid ammonia used as a solvent. Then those are called ammonical solutions. Those are called the ammonical solutions. Okay, another you see here, and liquid SO2, liquid sulfur dioxide is there. Okay, like this many examples so we can say here. Like that, ethanol also may be taken. ethanol. Okay, ethyl alcohol. This is only ethyl alcohol only. Already we discussed that. Ethanol and ether. Ether also may be taking as a solvents. This like many examples are there. But we don't know about this. But non-aqueous solutions also present around us. And alcohol like carbon tetrachloride and chloroform. This one CHCl3 is the chloroform. You are already about the chloroform. We know that it is used in anesthesia like that. Okay, anesthesia chloroform, and to store the what is that? Store the dead bodies. Okay, like snake dead bodies in laboratory, biology laboratory. We are seeing that chloroform only using there, and benzene and liquid ammonia. These are the examples for the non-aqueous solutions. That means solvent